My name is Professor Dan Henrich, and together with my wife Christine, we have been teaching believers all over the world to create life-changing videos. This has included Africa, Asia, and of course India with courses in Chennai, Chandigarh, and Dehradun.
I have known Brother Dan Henrich for over 30 years. His expertise in making films and training people through workshops is very effective. I have not attended any of his workshops, but some of my associates did, and their style of production is really improved. I highly recommend him for any training workshops in India.
Our association with Dan Henrich goes back almost 4 decades. Dan conducted our very first visual media workshops in 1984. His expertise in teaching and producing films is very effective. Although I have not personally attended his workshop, my colleagues have found his teaching very useful in their work here in India. Some of the participants are now successful media leaders in our country. I'm so excited to know that both Dan and Chris will be visiting India to conduct workshop on filmmaking using smartphones in the summer of 2019.
Filmmaking from Dan Henrich. He has taught me story writing, storytelling. He has taught me direction, camera handling, and I'm very grateful to him. Today, I'm a full-time media man, and all because of Dan Henrich. Thank you, Dan.
Today, each of us have a smartphone that will shoot and edit the stories that will impact those around you. With that phone in your hand, you can make short films for social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, reaching out to thousands. In 2017, we started teaching smartphone filmmaking workshops. The first was in Ethiopia with our students producing short videos after just a week of training.
So we are really grateful and thankful that we found you and you found us rather. So we are happy. We are happy to have you in this ministry.
In the summer of 2018, we conducted smartphone workshops in 3 cities, 2 in China and 1 in Thailand, where 46 spent a week learning how to use their smartphones to write scripts, shoot, record audio, and edit on their own phones. These student teams in Thailand each produced 2 short videos that are now on YouTube, and you can do the same thing.
สวัสดีครับเมื่อผมเข้าสัมมนาสมาร์ทโฟนนะครับผมเพิ่งได้รู้ก็คือสิ่งนี้ครับสมาร์ทโฟนนั่นเองนะครับสิ่งที่อยู่ในกระเป๋าผมนะครับมันเป็นเหมือนกับสตูดิโอเคลื่อนที่นะครับมูฟง่ายนะครับแล้วก็เป็นเครื่องเล็กนะครับตัดต่อก็ได้ถ่ายวิดีโอก็ได้นะครับถ่าย 4K ได้อีกต่างหากนะครับผมไม่รู้นะครับมาก่อนเลยนะครับจนได้เข้าสัมมนาของแดนนะครับขอบพระเจ้าครับขอบคุณแดนมากเลยนะครับที่ทำให้เราได้รู้ว่าสิ่งนี้สามารถทำสิ่งที่ยิ่งใหญ่มากนะครับในงานของพระเจ้านะครับขอบคุณพระเจ้ารออะไรไปทำกันเลย
I learned about all the transition, all the composition, and all the techniques that you taught us. It was really great. Thank you so much, Dan.
We plan on conducting workshops in 2019. If you join us, you will learn how to produce these untold stories that will impact the lost in your country, addressing culture, community, biblical teachings, and principles. Remember, the eyes and ears of this and future generations are firmly fixed on their smartphones. This is where these stories must be placed. Chris and I look forward to working with you during the summer of 2019. It'll be an exciting time where we can talk about how we can create the stories that will communicate the gospel to the people around us. That phone in your pocket, that phone in your hand is the most powerful tool in the world to reach the millions of people who are lost without knowing Jesus Christ.